So here's what I learned in August. I was adjusting my backswing and paying close attention to my right hand. For a few days, I got really comfortable and maybe too comfortable, and then I pushed for more power. And that's when I fell off track. Like falling and rock climbing and having climbed back up. Honestly, it took me about a month to recover. But now I have a database for myself, so let's see what my September training will look like. Hold up, slow-mo coming soon.